Cultures worldwide have hailed ginger for its culinary and therapeutic properties since long time ago. People enjoy and benefit from using this plant root ginger, either dried, powdered, raw, whichever way you've used it. And ginger tea and essential oils are popular as well. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ogonwadi's channel. Welcome back. Trust you are doing great. So, we're talking about ginger. Ginger is one of the few spices in the world that are beneficial to human health. Ginger belongs to the same family of spices as turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. These are mostly known by the Indians. It shares a tart but widely applicable flavor and a vast range of health benefits. Now, one might say, but what exactly can I expect ginger to do in terms of benefiting my overall health? Now, let me tell you, consuming ginger on a regular basis means giving your body a shot of nutrients, minerals, and bioactive compounds that scientific research has shown can benefit both mind and frame. Now, let's take a look at some of those individual benefits when you eat ginger every day. You know, like the doctor will tell you, oh, eat colorful vegetables. Vegetables are really good for you. Eat it several times a day and all that. Well, certain spices also have many health benefits. So today, like I said, we're talking about ginger. Now, when you eat ginger every day, a lot of good things happens to your body. Ginger is a spice with a very strong taste. It's not known only for the taste, but also for the qualities, the good qualities that it has because of that gingerol that it contains. And it's not surprising to me that ginger has a long medicinal century, because it's been used to cure a lot of ailments. And when you eat it every day, you have to keep your body healthy. Okay? Are you wondering what happens to your body when you eat it? For like, let's say 3 weeks straight or a month straight, when you eat ginger, amazing things happen. Now, when I'm talking about eating it, you do not have to nibble on a piece of ginger every day. Just cut a large piece, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters, into small pieces and mix it with your smoothie, your tea, or your dishes. Do you know what it will do to your body? Let me explain. It does this to your body. Number one, it is anti-inflammatory. Inflammation in the body is reduced faster. This is due to the anti-inflammatory effects of ginger. Now, nausea also disappears. Are you in an early stage of pregnancy? Are you pregnant already, or you just feel nauseated? Are you often nauseous in the morning, whether pregnant or not? I bet that eating ginger every day will help you. By eating it every day, the nausea will soon subside. Especially pregnant women and people undergoing chemotherapy can benefit from this. Now, the next point, reduction of muscle pain. Do you have muscle pain or pain in the limbs? Eating ginger can have a good influence on this. Consuming ginger daily will gradually ease the pain, just like ibuprofen will do for you. Promotes bowel movement is my next point. Now, when you eat ginger on a daily basis, though, especially when you're constipated, it will do a lot of good for your bowel movement. It will help you. So think about that. Throw it in the water, chew it if you can, do whatever you want with it. Now, menstrual pain. Are you in constant pain during this time of the month? Then eating ginger daily may help you. The spice is similar to taking pain medications like Midol, which can help relieve acute abdominal pain. Also, another point, it lowers cholesterol. Eating ginger every day for a month or 3 weeks can help to lower your cholesterol. You know, the bad cholesterol, the LDL. Because the amount of triglycerides in the blood is reduced by the substances inside the ginger. Now, final, boost your immune system. The anti-inflammatory properties in ginger strengthens the immune systems. Have you already been affected by a cold or virus, especially in this season that we are in? Then ginger can help you recover faster. Give it a try and you will not regret it. I'm going to stop right here for today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you once again for joining. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Like the video. Share the video. It's very important. Please share this video. It will do a lot of good to Betty. Thank you. I appreciate you for always coming wherever you are. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Keep eating ginger. Bye.